Hey Josh, Coach Millard. This is your last map note, and I just want to try to make it a special one. It's your last one at Daniel Boone, so you gotta make it pretty sweet. First off, dude, it's been a great getting to know you this year, man. You're an awesome kid. Don't go changing. I know there's big things ahead of you, um, and I want you to do as best you can in everything that you want to be. Um, things in life might get tough every once in a while, but I want you to always keep moving forward. And if you want something bad enough, with hard work and effort and never giving up on yourself, great things can happen, dude. Um, I have appreciated being your gym teacher this year. I'm proud to watch you grow and seeing you make new friends, and I hope for the best for you, buddy. I know there's great things ahead of you. Um, and I know that you can do anything you put your mind to. I want you to always remember how awesome you are and how I've been proud to have been your gym teacher. I want to wish you the best in middle school and all of your future endeavors, dude. Make sure you always are and always will be great. Have a good one, buddy. Best of luck.